Thousands of houses have been damaged by the devastating flood. You can see the kid over here. Azra Bibi, she is suffering from the malaria, and you can see like the stagnant water outside her house, and mostly the room is damaged, and she is spending nights under the open sky. We are distributing the food basket, MHM kit and hygiene kits among the most vulnerable and the flood affected communities over here.
मिट्टी वाला पानी जहीं मकान ढह गए कुछ है नहीं बच्ची बच्चे बच गए साफ प्यारा है क्या करो शाबाश है उन्हें तावल लेते सारे होते उन्हें हसान है बच्चे को पाले ने देते ने राशन पानी इन्हें दा शुक्रिया अदा करना है इन्हें सम्मान देता है इन्हें को दुआ करनी है.
You can see the malnutrition and the issues over here in the women and especially in the kids over here. So they are in very pathetic condition. Please come forward and support us so that we can reach to the maximum number of flood affected communities in Pakistan.